Hi, we have here a beautiful Quantum Edge 3. This is the latest in power chair from Pride Mobility. Quantum Edge 3, orange in color. This is a basic power chair, meaning it doesn't have tilt, recline, it just has a basic captain seat. Now, what is a captain seat? A captain seat is you can fold it down, and your top number would be about 31 inches if you're going to transport it in your van, 31 inches. But it's a captain seat. It goes all the way back to here, or you can just adjust it to whatever position you want. That's called a captain seat. Let's look at the base on this power chair. So this power chair is practically new. It was used a couple months, 2 to 3 months, practically brand new, as you can see. It has 14-inch solid tires. This is a mid-wheel drive. Mid-wheel drive means the drive motor wheel is mainly in the middle. When you have a mid-wheel drive, you're always going to have a wheel on the ground in front and a wheel on the ground in the back, because that's how they work. This is a mid-wheel drive chair, has a really good turning radius. So these are 14-inch non-skid tires. You have an anchor point here and an anchor point here. This is where you secure your chair if you're going to transport it. These are tied to the frame. They're not going anywhere. There's 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. You also have a motor for each wheel. Each wheel has its own motor. So this chair right now probably weighs 250, 275 pounds, so it's pretty hard to lift. But if you turn the power off, and the reason you want the power off, you want no resistance in the motor. Power is off, the yellow lever, it tells you right there, push it down, and what that does, it puts your wheel in neutral. So you have to do both motors on both sides, okay? So it puts the chair in neutral. When you're done, put it back in gear. These seats can be adjusted up and down, so we can go 2 or 3 inches in height with these seats right here. There's 4 different positions. So right now the seats probably sits at 22 inches from here to the ground. It's about 22 inches. These are flip-up arms on both sides. These arms can be flipped up, and they can also be adjusted up and down. There's a little Allen screw in where my finger is. Inside that hole, it is there. You can put an Allen wrench and you can raise the arms up. And the arms can also go out if you wanted to also. Let's look at the front of the chair. This is a small seat, folks. So this chair is set up for a small person. The seat is only 16 inches wide by 18 inches deep. So 16 wide, 18 deep with a small back, tall back with a headrest. You do have a safety belt. If this is the chair you want, but you want a bigger seat, give us a call. We'll see if we can work out something with you. The foot plate does flip up when you exit the chair. You can see the suspension in front. There's 2 of these in front, there's 1 more in the back. So this chair has that Quantum Edge suspension, which is that famous suspension, what they're very proud of, okay? The batteries come out from the front. If you have to change the batteries, matter of fact, there you go. That's how you take the cover off. The batteries are right. There's 2 batteries in here that come out from the front, and this chair will give you about 15 miles on a battery charge. Now, we're going to put this cover back on. Way you go. Usually it never goes on right away. Look at that. So that's how you take the batteries out. You also have on this chair, you see the little knob right here? If I tap it, you have lights in the front right here, and you have lights for the back right here. You have headlights and tail lights on this chair. There's that suspension I was telling you about in the front. You have it in the back also. It covers this fork and that fork. They're independent forks, folks. You have a pouch. You have an adjustable headrest. You have a docking device here if you want to put a basket, oxygen holder, cane holder. When you charge the chair, you will take your charger and you'll plug it right below your joystick right here. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, the charger will stop charging. These are smart chargers. So let's recap. What do we have here? Let's turn the lights off. We have a Quantum Edge 3. This chair will go 6 miles an hour, by the way. Fantastic chair. It has a captain seat of 16 by 18 deep. It has the swing away joystick. It has the flip up arms, the adjustable back. It has the headlights. It has the anchor points. It has the solid tires, that suspension we talked about, that famous suspension from Quantum. If you want a really nice power chair and this is the color you like, this is really a cute little chair. It's available right now. This chair is fast. I think it goes a little faster than 6 miles an hour. It's very, very fast. So anyway, the manual says 6 miles an hour, but I think it goes 6.2, 6.3. It stops automatically when you let go. You can see the brake that has built-in brakes in the motors. Very easy to drive. You can feel the suspension when you turn fast like this. I'm kind of being a little bit crazy here, but you can feel the suspension. This chair had no problem in the grass at all. I did hit the curb there off the grass, but this is a really nice, fast, a little bit over faster than 6 miles an hour. It has the captain's seat, the anchor point, the headlights, the flip-up arms, the swing-away joystick. So if you need a basic Quantum Edge 3, but you want to have that good base, the base is the bottom with the motors, which are synonymous with quality, this is a good one. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.